Sveiki visi, šiandien aš kursiu naują video ir šiandien aš reaktinsiu į Jigglypuff trolling on Call of Duty Black Ops 3 by SwiftNade. Taigi pradėkime. Kaip jis padaro tai? Kaip? Kaip jis tai sugeba? Kaip mielai skamba. Tiesiog balsas. Eik tu savo.
You probably have a dildo in your butthole.
Eik tu savo, taip miela, bet to pačiu taip bloga, eik tu savo.
I'm dying right now.
Bet aš nesuprantu, vis tiek kaip jis tai padaro, tai taip miela. Tai pats mieliausias dalykas, kokį aš esu girdėjęs. Kai sustumė.
That's what you get. Don't you ever try to tease me again?
Oh my god. Where'd you get that voice from?
It's called being born a Pokemon. How many times do I have to tell you?
The guy on Facebook that does the same shit.
Oh, I know him. He used to suck me off. He used to put all of my puff in his mouth.
Oh my, you're not born from Pokemon?
I'm Jigglypuff.
Lavin? You're not born from Pokemon?
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. Send me a picture of you and Pikachu.
What's up with the music in the background though? It sounds
know.
hella angelic. Hey, this party's hella lit.
You know what else is hella lit?
Aš įvertinsiu šį video pabaigoje, kad jūs galėtumėte išgirsti. Atsiprašau, jeigu kalbu per jį.
Yeah.
Sounds like Steve Urkel.
There may be a lot of people in one Pokemon, but more than one of my balls can fit in your mouth.
Oh, dude, you're fucking sick. Oh, I'll be dying. That dude's hilarious. You know they're coming out with that Pokemon thing for your phone, right?
Yeah, Pokemon Go.
Probably has.
So that means you can touch me in
Yeah,
real
that's
life and in your dreams.
Oh my god.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, hell yes. Oh, hell
Oh, hell no.
Trevor, thanks dude for inviting me to this shit. Oh god. Trevor,
Can you guys rub Nutella all over my puff, please?
are you Mr. Technical
What the-
Difficult?
No!
Who are you?
I'm Jigglypuff the Pokemon. Jigglypuff
Alright, hold on. I'll
is
fight you right now.
gonna lick your
There's a 2-year-old in the party.
elbows.
His gamer tag is Sexy Jigglypuff. Son of a bitch.
Sexy Jigglypuff is not sexy.
Yes, I am. Ask your mama.
Mom!
Yeah, get her on the mic. She remembers me from last night.
Is
Yeah,
sexy
it's hella funny.
Jigglypuff sexy?
Hey, young retro. I know you hear me. Don't even act. I'm gonna follow you then.
What the fuck is this?
I'm Jigglypuff.
Holy fuck.
Pokemon. Jigglypuff is gonna choke slam you on the concrete. Yay!
fuck. What is this?
Hey, young retro. Do you trust me?
I trust you, but Young Metro doesn't.
That joke is old, but I'll let you slide with that one as long as you slide into my DMs.
Okay, I'm leaving the party.
No, like, I just wanna set up a time that we can play a game, you know? Have some fun, just chill.
What the fuck?
None of that homo stuff. I'm not gay. Why would I be gay?
What's up with that background music?
I'm Jigglypuff, it's my song.
Taigi tai buvo Jigglypuff voice trolling on Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Tai taip miela, bet taip blogai tuo pačiu metu. Jo tas balsas viską padaro ne taip blogai. Nu tai susitiksime kitame video. Viso.